guys, it's Excalibur from the Warhawks Airsoft. I just got a used G36, and I'm going to be doing a upgrade series videos, or a series of upgrade videos. And on the first one here, we're going to be putting in metal bearings. Well, these are two-piece bushings, I think, and then for your bevel gear, there's ball bearings, because this has nylon ones, and you can see they're a little bit worn. I don't know specifically how many rounds were put through this thing, but as I understand, it's not too many. So I think it was definitely used. So we're going to open this up here. And I forgot that thing. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Look at all that grease. So it looks like we got a plastic spring guide and stuff. I wrote one of them. So I'll be installing all these metal bushings. I think that's not my hammer on that, make sure it's in there. And reshimming the gearbox and correcting AOE and all that good stuff. I might radius it too, but it's a version 3, so some people don't even radius them. That grease is nasty. So next one would be spur gear. Now this is an older gun, because they don't make the, as far as I'm aware, they don't make the G36, or JG doesn't make the G36 anymore. This bearing goes in here. This will probably need pounded in with something. That one's kind of crooked. Sorry, the light's probably bad. Yep, so my first upgrade to this gun will be installing these bushings as soon as I get these all in there, and then wiping out the grease out of it, and shimming it. This is the first time I opened up this gearbox, so this is all nasty Chinese grease. That's cool. Got a double O-ring. So yeah, you get to see what probably 3 to 5 year old gun looks like internally, but I don't know how much it's been used really. That is nasty. Ugh. It was shimmed to some extent, I think. That's awful. Yep. So I'll probably be doing some more upgrades to this gun. One thing I did want to check is the trigger, because it was felt really mushy. I don't know if the spring wasn't on right or what, but if you guys like these videos, hit the like button and subscribe. And actually, that's a good way to tell how much this gearbox has been used. Oh, that's not even bolted in. Cool. Has been used at that looks like it's worn down pretty good. Not sure, I'll have to check that out, but that'll be my first upgrades, which is more like just a tune-up for this G36. So if you guys like these videos, hit the like button. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video.